Hello everyone, this is Praveen. Good morning. Today we'll learn how to create instance in AWS and how to create AWS account. These two things we will see in this video. So before that, please request everyone to subscribe my channel and click on like button, share the video so that it motivate me to create more and more videos. So alright, let's start to the console. I've already opened it, the AWS console, but let me go through the very first. In the Google search, google.com, just type AWS and click on the very first link. It will go to the AWS page directly. So now you can see the AWS page, and the very first option is, you can see, create a free account. So once you click on create a free account, it will open a page where you need to fill your personal details, means your name, your mobile number, and your address. And once you go to the next page, you can see here. Let's move to the new one. Let me sign up is not recommended. 1 minute, it's redirected to the wrong console. Okay, this is coming because I'm already logged in. So what I have to do is I need to log out first. Okay, let me sign out, close this as well. We will go from the very first again. Okay, I think I am logged out now. Yes, now again I am logged out. Okay, so AWS, search in Google. It will this is the first URL. You can also click, otherwise this showing AD, right? It means it will include ad as well, right? So you can open the down, just below the down website as well. So no issues, just click on here, click on create free account. You will get this type of page, right, where you put your Gmail ID, right? Put your Gmail ID, whatever your Gmail ID, and your name, and click on verify account, right? So I have already there, the ID is there. It was already verified, but for you, let me put it over here. This is already, I put in my Gmail ID, I put in my name over here. Now just click on verify email address. It will again go to, because I have already done it, after verification it will ask your name, your address, and everything it will ask. And in the third step, it will ask for your credit card or debit card details to deduct 2 rupees amount for verification, right? It will not charge anything apart from this 2 rupees. Once you do successful transaction, your account will be ready to use. Okay, so this is a very simple process to create a AWS account. So what happened once you create the account, right? So after creating account, just go to the same page, right, and at the top click on my account, AWS management console. So it's opening now. This is the first page where you put your credential which you have created. You just click on root user and put your ID and password, the Gmail ID and the password which you have mentioned in the while creating your account. Okay, so I'm just putting my credential. It's taking time. So it's taking time because my VPN is on. Let me put it off. Okay, it will little bit fast from here. Alright, so the very first task, what you have to do, the first task you have to do is to just go to the location here, right? You have to create your system, the EC2 instance, on your location, not America, not USA, not Africa. Just select your location that is near around Mumbai. In India there is Mumbai, select Mumbai only. Okay, otherwise there will be latency. If you select America and try to access your EC2 machines from India, there will be a latency. So here, firstly go to the top, this 6 or 9 icon, click on the services. Here you can see EC2 for creating a virtual machines, right? For EC2 instance, AWS Windows or AWS Linux, click on this EC2. Once you click on the EC2, this page will come, this one, okay? Still loading. So it's loaded now. I have already created 3 instances for myself, right? We will create a new instance over here. You can, once you create the instance, you can see your running instance over here, right? So once you come down, right, you can see a launch instance, right? To get a started, launch Amazon instance, which is virtual server in the cloud, okay? Launch instance. This is the first way, okay? This is the first way to create instance. Let me show you the second way. I'm cancelling it, okay? The second way, go to the instance running. You can see there is no instance running, right? Click on the launch instance. It will go to the page where you can create a new instance, right? Here the name it's asking. So for what you want to create, you want a Linux server, so just mention Linux server, okay? You need a Linux server, you can mention Linux server over here. Come down here, what type of OS you want, click on browse more AMIs, okay? Once you click, you can see there is a lot of free tier available. So Amazon Linux free tier eligible, Amazon Linux free tier is also eligible. The version is different, 5.10 for 4.14. Come down, there is also for Mac, but you have to only take free tier eligible one. Red Hat, there is a free tab tier eligible OS you can use. There is also SUSE Linux, Ubuntu is there, Microsoft Windows. So what we can do, we have just taken Linux, right? So for Linux, let me choose what we can take. We can take Ubuntu first. Let's take Ubuntu or RHEL 8. Let me take RHEL. This is the latest one, okay? RHEL you can take the latest one, the free tier. Select. Okay, we have selected the OS which we want. Just now you have to come down, okay? Now you can see here you have to create a key, security key to log in. This will help you in logging to the Linux server. So for creating this, click on create new key pair, okay, and enter the name for this. So Linux, type the name Linux, okay? Linux, okay? I have already Linux name available in the disk, so you can mention Linux, okay? Once you put the name, come down and create a key pair. Once you click on create a key pair, it will download a file that is, let me show you how it's look like. It's downloaded over here. You can see it's downloaded a Linux ppk. It's download a Linux ppk file in the drive. So here is the Linux ppk, right? Linux ppk, you can see. Now what you have to do, you have to select that key. Linux I have created, I have selected over here, okay? Come down now. Nothing need to be changed. Create security group, or you can select an existing one as well, okay? So we can do one thing, we can select the existing security group, okay? From the drop down list you can select any of the one. So let me select any near on launch before 6 wizard. So now the system is ready. What you have to do is click on launch instance only directly, okay? Let me show you what we have did from the very beginning. We have given the name, first step, name of the server. Second step, we have selected the OS. Third step, we have generated a key for here, key for connecting this server, Linux server. That's it. Security key that is not required, you can also create, just leave it whatever it is selected. Okay, now these 3 steps you are able to good to go. Just click on launch instance. Once I click on launch instance, you can see the logs. Initialization succeeds, launch initiation succeeds. Okay, come down. Once you come down, you can see there is an option. I'm not able to see that. Okay, click on this. So now you can see I have 3 systems available previously, and the new system which we have created, that is Linux server. Okay, Linux server we have already created. So how to connect it, right? So for connecting this, so it's initializing the status check is initializing, let it be completely. Okay, once it start, so do one thing, click on the services EC2. Okay, you will go to the main dashboard where you can see your instances, how many instances running, how many instances in stopped state. So you can see there are 4 instances, and you have created 1 instance which in running state. Right click on that. So let me give you one more information. Right, this free tier account is valid only for 12 months, means 1 year you can use this free tier account. After that you have to pay whatever the services you will use. So now you can see initialization is still in progress. So let me show you another thing till this initialization check done. Okay, another thing is that go to your my account, go click on your name, go to the account option. Okay, once you go to the account option, you can see all your details will be there. Go to the bills. Okay, bill. So once you go to the bill, you will show this will show your bill, right? When this will show your bill, once you exceed the hour which is provided to you in a free tier, means suppose in Linux there is more than 750 hours given to you to use this Linux server. So 750 hours, it is a huge hours. So once you exceed it, you will get some bills over here. So if you get some $10 or $5, so you can just raise on service request to the AWS team and say that you are the student and you want to just please waive my this fees. They will waive it. So there is no any issue, right? So no need to worry. In free tier you will not charge anything. Zero amount will be charged. After 12 months there will be a possibility, right? Whatever the service you will use, you will be charged. So it will better make a note of a date when you create your AWS account. Okay, now go to the services. Let's see our AWS machine is ready or not. EC2. And then instance running. Instance running, nothing is showing here. Let me come back. EC2 dashboard. Instance running is not loaded completely. Yeah, let me go to the EC2 instance again. Okay, another thing. So you can see the instance is not showing here. So you will be surprised why the instance is not showing here, right? So you just see the location. Your location is what? Virginia. That is not your location. You have created your system in ACFS Mumbai. So go to the ACFS Mumbai. Now you can see you will be the 4 machines available here. Okay, now go to your machines which you have created. This one machine. Status check should be to check pass. Now how to connect it? Click on the machine. Okay, and copy this public IP address. Okay, now for connecting this you need Putty. So for downloading Putty, go to the Putty website, putty.org. Okay, go to putty.org. Download Putty. Once you click on download, it will download the Putty over here, or just here you can see Putty I have downloaded, putty.exe. Yeah, I have deleted it. So Putty, I have two Putty I have downloaded. So once you click on download Putty, it will download the Putty. So what you have to do, once Putty downloaded, open the Putty over here. I have just opened it. Let me open it. Open it. I have just copied the public IP address of this EC0 instance, and you have to paste it in the Putty. Control V here. Here just paste it. Go to the connection, then SSH, then auth, and you have to provide your key which you have created at the time of Linux system creation. We have created this Linux PPK. Click on Linux PPK and click on open, and open, accept it. Now you can see this is the console. So type the login as ec2-user. I have already accessed it, right? I can see I am logged in now. Let me do it. Sudo su. I am as a root user. I can just paste ls. Nothing is there, right? So do one thing is create one directory. Okay, mkdir. Suppose my new Linux server. So I have created one directory over here. mkdir. Something wrong. Let me set it. mkdir is the correct one. I have created one mk directory. So type ls. You can see one directory is created. So if you want to go to that directory, just do one thing. Type cd and then m. Okay, and type my new and then tab. Name is there. Now you can see you are on the folder which you have created. Okay, so now we are good to go to see how Linux system create and launch it. Now you can do anything which you want, right? You can run any command. You can download every setup in this Linux machine and do testing, whatever you want. Alright, so what we have to do, let me come out from this screen. We have seen how to launch the AWS instance of the Linux machine. In our previous video, what we will do, we will learn how to launch Windows machine. Okay, alright, so before leaving the AWS console, what you have to do, just right click in the running and click on stop instance. If you not stop it, then there may be a charge that unnecessarily you are running the system. There will be $1 or $2 they will charge you. So stop it. If you are not using, stop it. Don't left it idle. So now this is stopping, and once this gets stopped, it will be showing over here EC2 instance, where all instances will become 5 and running instances will become 0. So now we have seen how to create the Linux machine in AWS and how to create account as well, right? Alright, so guys, if you like this video, just press on like button and share this videos as well to your friends, so that I can get some notifications, some likes as well, and also subscribe my channel so that I can put more and more videos for you. Alright, thanks for watching my videos. Have a good day. Bye.